You may have heard about a mysterious new illness affecting dogs. Today, Isabella Warren checked on cases in Central Oregon.
We're told there have been 3 unconfirmed cases in Central Oregon, but the Humane Society says there's no need to panic. A new respiratory illness is affecting dogs across the state, according to the Oregon Veterinary Medical Association. Portland, Salem, and Eugene are the current hotspots.
There's not a lot of research out about this unknown respiratory illness at this point. It could be a variety of things, so there's not a lot known about it right now.
Cases of the mysterious illness have now been reported in at least a dozen U.S. states, with 3 unconfirmed cases locally. According to the state's Department of Agriculture, a total of 200 cases have been confirmed in Oregon. It's important for owners to distinguish it from kennel cough.
With our normal CIRDC, which is Canine Infectious Respiratory Disease Complex, also known as kennel cough, you'll see symptoms such as nasal discharge, ocular discharge, coughing, sneezing. With this new unknown respiratory illness, we're seeing symptoms that are more severe, such as lethargy, inappetence, chronic and acute pneumonia, and it could result in death.
Signs of the illness vary. ODA identifies 3 symptoms: mild tracheobronchitis lasting 6 to 8 weeks or longer, chronic pneumonia, which is minimally or non-responsive to antibiotics, and acute pneumonia, which rapidly becomes severe. The Humane Society and kennels across the area are taking precautions, trying to stop the spread.
As soon as we notice any signs of respiratory illness, we are isolating them the best that we can from our other population. So they'll be in a separate area in our kennels. They'll have postings that alert not only staff but the public as well that they are experiencing signs of a respiratory illness, and that gives them the precautionary measures to prevent the spread from any of our other animals.
Pet owners can also take precautions against the illness.
Just take any precautionary measures that you would normally. Don't introduce your dogs to unfamiliar dogs, unfamiliar places. Be sure to stay up to date on your vaccinations. If you notice anything that's worrisome, contact your veterinarian right away.
The Humane Society of Central Oregon's recent adoption event also helped to lower capacity to prevent any surge of the mystery illness.
So with all this, Isabella, is now an okay time to adopt?
Yes, now is actually the perfect time because it'll reduce the numbers and help the spread of the virus.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Very informative.